Here's a fun game to play. It's called Things Hiding in the Fall. There's a spider and a bat and a pumpkin and a turkey. And right here it says name. It starts with the letter N. You can practice writing your name on here and just give it your best try. Inside the first page, there are directions that talks about cutting out all these pictures. You can try to do it, or you can ask an adult to help you. This works on your fine motor skills. So inside here, it says the spider is in the leaf. So you're going to have the spider, and you're going to put it in the leaf. Then you're going to go to the next page. The bat is behind the corn. So that one's a little tricky. You're going to have to take the bat and the corn and put the bat first and then have the corn on top of it. You can either glue it or play this game over and over and over. The pumpkin is next to the scarecrow. So you're going to take your pumpkin and put it next to the scarecrow. It can be here or here or here. You decide where you want it to go. The turkey is on the tractor. So you're going to take the turkey and you decide where on top of the tractor you want it to go. If you put it here, that's below. So the word on means it has to be on the tractor. The apple is under the tree. So you take your last picture, the apple, and it needs to be under the tree. Because if you put it here, it would be over, or here would be next to. So put it under the tree. Again, you can either glue it on, or you can take it and do it over and over and over. Have fun with it, friends. Things hiding in the fall. Bye.